Hello, hello, everyone. Welcome. Hey, there's three of you. Yeah, welcome back to the dangerous forest of death. My name is Nick, and today we are continuing to play Jedi Fallen Order, analyze the game, learn a little bit, and hopefully not die in the process. But we'll see what happens. I'm betting I can avoid you for right now by just climbing over here. Is this a thing I can do? It is a thing I can do. Excellent. Oh, this is awkward. Cool. Let's hold off on you for the moment. Alright. Oh, there's three of you and a slug. You suck. No. Alright, we're going for it. Ah, I could have. No, get out of there, Cal. Alright, the slug. Too slow. Alright. See, the thing is that if I use... yeah. Stop it. If I use that little ability... Whoa. See, if I take my time and not... Take my time. I'm trying to think of what... Yeah, there we go. Oh, not into the thing, though. That was awkward. Okay, I just wasn't paying attention on that one. Alright, let's try some stuff. Oh, I was gonna try some more force stuff, but alas, I got stuck. I got stuck on the thing. Watcha! Ignore the slug. Oh, okay. Slow on the thing.
Now, BD.
Oh, dang it! I hit the wrong button again. Meh. Alright, can I... Okay, I can definitely disrupt your attack. I got slow, I got the double slash. Yeah. Oh, did I knock your legs off when I did that? That was weird. Hi, buddy. Yeah, these things you gotta be careful because they don't do a lot of... Yeah, I can't do the double slash. That's dangerous for me.
Please.
And we're awesome. And we're awesome. I'm just trying to recall what abilities I actually could use here to make that. I'm not gonna heal. Do not heal, Cal, because that's gonna undo all our hard work. I just want to double check. I'm trying to think about what abilities could I use for the giant spiders. All right, let's take a look at the skill tree here. So we basically have slow, push, and pull. This is superior blocking, improved dash, burst slow, grasping pull, power of friendship, which is awesome, by the way. Improved dash. Yeah, there really isn't a heck of a lot I can use here. Maybe the kick, depending. Just to disrupt, but it's more for breaking guard. It's kind of interesting because, again, this goes back to that whole like different levels of combat here because the animals will usually not have any kind of guard, but they will often not get as stunned either. So you kind of have to balance out what you're doing. It's a very weird sort of balance to the game. Alright, we got more slugs. Oh, that wasn't a thing. Dude, why? Oi. Cool, skill point. Oh, I can go level up. What you got? That a Wookiee horn. All right, cool. That goes up. Oh, which way do I go though? There's so many things to do. Let me is this danger? Danger, possibly, more than likely. Sorry, I heard a thing that just legitimately scared me. What you got, BD? Oh, that thing up there. Okay. A mush bloom.
I think Grease is gonna like this one. Let's just hope it doesn't get too tall.
So I'm trying to, so...
What's this? Yes. Let's take a look.
Ooh, Rover. What have we got? Rover. Sure, we'll give it a shot. But I'm definitely going to change the outfit, though. I haven't gotten a lot of outfits. Let's also maybe change BD's skin up a little bit. Oh, Stingy and Prime. Have I used this one yet? This one's just fun. Blue Leader. Oh, no, that's the one I just had, I think. Stingy and Prime. Bomb grass, I'm sorry. That's cool. Let's go with that. Ooh, a vine? Where do you go? Let's find out. Oh, this better not be like a monster or something. Oh, is there a secret boss? I don't think I came this way before. It doesn't look familiar. Nope, it's just straight up lore. Ooh, a trooper helmet. Alright, I gotta go level up.
This stormtrooper was dragged here by some type of creature.
Gee, I wonder which
Scary
one,
out there,
Cal.
BD.
You know, as if the cobwebs wasn't enough. Does this go anywhere else? Oh, ew, why? Come on, down we go. Down we go. Yeah, a little janky on the rope sim, but we talked about it a little bit earlier. I might start running out of things to talk about with this game, because we've talked a lot.
Always
We
finding
pick this
stuff.
apart. Spiderweb. But let's go level. Stop it. Let's go level up real quick. I'm betting if I heal, well, let's see. Let's just focus on the skill tree for right now. Let's see here. So that's Howling Push. That's for lots of groups. I am kind of burning through my stims, though, so I may want to go and do that. That's maximum force. Let's actually do this, because that way I have less issues. Like, let's actually, you know what? Maybe I will heal. Just do a little bit of combat. Because I've only got 3 stims here, and they're not doing as much now. So let's rest. We'll fight the spiders a few more times just to get that going. We'll get a couple more points. Oh, yeah, it's a little bit of grindy this episode. Too early. Oh, this is not good. There we go. We got one. The one advantage with all these guys is that they don't have ranged attacks. Not really. How did that happen? Whoa, no. That's right. Fight each other. Oh, okay. Not me, not me, not me, not me. Alright, here we go. There we go. There's number 2. All right, last one here. You're just a bottle of trouble. That was weird. Well, we took care of him anyway, so it's fine. Hi, buddy. Oh. Okay, yep. Oh, let's see how this new stim does. Okay, substantial amount of health. That's good. I thought I got out of the way. Well, yep. Yep. Oh, yeah. Oh, man. Oh, man, and the Force didn't really do anything on that one. I get a lot of XP for it, though, but that's good. I think that's the last time I'm going to do that. If I get knocked down some stims again, we're just going to go through it. Yeah, blah. Does Force affect you? Sort of, but not really. Oh. Man, I might be right back where I started. I gotta do that earlier if I'm gonna do that. Yep, I'm right back where I started.
I'm feeling weak, Pt.
I mean, it's not like it wasn't worth it, but I have now a net... I didn't really gain anything except maybe a little bit of health. I mean, I looked cool while doing it, so there's that. Alright, here we go. Hiya. No, don't get that. He had that. Alright, maybe we need a little bit more forward momentum on that one. Alright. Take 2. Here we go. Hiya. There we go. And we have a Echo. Sweet.
For generations, the Wookiees made a pilgrimage to the top. The tree guided them.
Yes. Holy relic it is. Alright, anything else we've got over here? Alright, onward, guys. Hoi. Alright, so I wonder what actually there's not a whole lot going through my brain right now. You know, it's the end of a long day. And oh nope, that's not where I wanted to go at all. Oh, that actually was cool. No. I was hoping the slug would take care of that. That was pretty cool, though. I like the dynamic. I didn't like that so much, but I kind of like how the different enemy types will they will hurt each other in combat, and if you're smart enough, you can use the firebugs because they're a much weaker enemy, and use them and kind of let the enemies kind of like hurt themselves. It's a very like. Again, like, I keep talking about how, like, the combat here is very, very well thought out in the terms that it gives you options. And they don't put impossible tasks ahead of you. And that goes in, like, the whole flow rate discussion that we talked about before, which I don't know how many episodes it's been since I talked about it, but basically flow rate is making sure that you give the player a challenge that is just challenging enough to meet their skill level. So that way, essentially what ends up happening is the player enters this sort of mode where they are in the zone, essentially. You know, it's not so simple that they are bored. It's not too hard that they can't do anything and they give up.
I don't know if it's friendly. That's the thing that took down the Night Sister.
Yep. And it's very interesting to see how, like, the designers will slowly build you up toward those challenges. Anything over yonder? Oh, hey, we can scan some big old wings.
My friend, as Tarful led us here, he spoke of a glorious creature called the Shio bird.
Shio bird, huh? Oh, do I get the double jump? Do I get the double jump? Oh my god, give me the double jump. I want it so bad. What is that? Yes, double jump.
Get up. Try again.
Just keep failing, Master.
Do you? Good. Keep failing. Keep getting back up. That is the only way to succeed. Do not allow yourself to be weighed down by ego and pretense. Let go of what you fear to lose and rise up. Now, again.
Aw. To Jedi flip. Hup. Hey.
Good. Now reach my position. You can do it.
Oh, hup. And ahoy. Ah, yes.
Getting back up, Edie.
Jedi flip. I've been waiting for this forever.
Back up. We're still in this fight. I'm finally back to where I was before the purge.
Hey,
Before
awesome.
Master T'Pol died.
Oh, I can reach higher things now. Yes. I cannot tell you how good it feels to finally have the double jump back. Hey, and I get more connections and doohickeys and whatnot. Okay, cool. So, what do we got? I think it gives us, yeah, it gives us the whole thing now. The whole kit and caboodle, baby. Let's see. Yeah, last time I didn't do this. Probably gonna do that this time around. I think that's the next one we may save up for. That's maximum life, which is good. Oh, I want all of these though. These are all good, but the lightsaber mastery is like gonna come into play because when it comes to the lightsaber duels, like this is like every strike is gonna count. So I think I gotta start saving up for that now. But we're definitely gonna rest. And one thing I am definitely gonna do the next like tough enemy face is go all out on the force powers. Go all out on the force powers because I can now recover force using BD stim, so there really isn't as much incentive to hold back. Like, normally the strat has been to, you know, hold back a little bit of force just to ensure I can slow them down if I need to heal, because, and this is another interesting mechanic in that, you will actually slow down a little bit. Ah!
Sir, think we can help it?
I don't know, dude. Oh. Could you wait a sec? Nope.
I understand. This tree connects the core of the planet to the
Oh, not that one. This lock-on is not helping me in this instance. Oh, what? That was cheap. Alright, you... I don't know why. Oh, hey now.
Now, BD.
What? Oh, come on, you. Alright, that doesn't knock you to the ground. Good to know. Whoa, okay. You jerk. I'm probably gonna die if I don't pay attention. Yep. Alright. Yep. Probably should use the pull. Should have used the pull, not the push. I forget what I was talking about. This is one of those episodes where it's like way end of day and my thinky brain is no longer working. You know, my brain is just acting enough to just you know, do all the buttons and whatnot. Because I'm trying to think about what other aspect of this game we have not covered before, and we've covered a lot. I mean, this is episode 21, and I've still managed to find things to pick apart. I'm so happy I got the double jump. Gonna wind it up, and away we go. Double jump. Alright, so this time, let's not get so caught up. I mean, I could always just run, but, you know. Oh, let's not get swatted off the bottom here. Alright, here we go, here we go. Alright, we got one. Alright, cool. What? What is that nonsense? What? I do not understand what happened, to be perfectly honest with you. It looked like the guard was injuring them somehow. I am not totally sure how it happened, but I'll take it. I love how the camera can move out and just give you this grand view of everything. It's quite nice. Oh, and we got some secrets. We got a box. Clever placement again. Tempting us with all the loots. Still need to work on that blending animation, but alright. Alright, so obviously we're supposed to go that way, but because that's the thing we're supposed to do, or the quote-unquote proper way to go, but I want the things. Give me the things. Oh, God, I gotta be careful with the joystick.
BD, what's this?
Yeah, BD. What do we got? I think it's another poncho. Free Kashyyyk. Ooh. Oh, this one's kind of rugged. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, yeah. We're doing that. All right, let's get BD another skin, though. Let's see what we got. Could do... Oh, that's kind of nice. Ooh. It's a little dark. I'm kind of between that one and that one. I think we're going to go with... We could also go back to... Ooh, traditional works with this, too. Appreciate it. Let's see. We'll go... Racer's a little much. That one looks kind of cool. All right, great. Free Kashyyyk. All right, and we got a thing on the end over here. Just... Oh, we got to be careful, because that's a long fall. Oh, can I... Am I able to get to that? That looks like a Wookiee house over there.
This fell from a Wookiee as they climbed the tree. Some type of test.
Cool, skill point. Appreciated. Can I... Is that a thing I can do? Oh, it looks like there's a settlement over there, but I don't see any vines. Is the map... Alright, I don't know if that's just scenery, if that's a... Okay, yeah, it looks like I just got shoved back there. Okay. Maybe I can see another vantage point from up here. Yeah, I don't see any vines that I could get. I think that's just scenery stuff. All right, so we're not gonna risk it. That's like the one time, like, if something doesn't like jump out to me as being able to be traversed, it's probably not the right way to go. Like you see over here, like we've got this vine right here that has like these flowers and such on it, makes it stand out, tells me that I can climb on it. You know, that's just making things, there's a specific word for it. I'm trying to remember. It's basically to increase clarity. Oh, hold up. Hold the phone. Is that that's a chest I see. All right, good to know. Oh, I can keep going up, but I wanna go over here. Is that a thing that will allow me to go? Oof, that was... Hey, it's a monkey. What's up, dude? How's it going? You are not scared at all.
Let's check it out.
Just do not hit me off this tree. Oh, you were literally a tak. The tak is a tree-dwelling primate native to the planet Kashyyyk. Cool. Friendly creatures. Good to know. Anything of interest up here? I will say this is probably like the one level where we will not find a workbench, but I think it would be very odd to find that. Ooh, new outfit material. Oh, we got a new skin here for the outfit. Let me see what this looks like. Ooh, now that's bold. I like it. We shall keep it. Back to the tree. Very convenient to have this here. Oh, but this is nerve-wracking. Beautiful, but nerve-wracking. Ooh, we got another spaceship here. Like, again, you can tell that this is able to climb because the vines are a particular pattern. It's got specific colors.
Did any of it matter?
I mean... depends on who you ask, I guess. Oh, where are we going? Oh, Cal! I wasn't ready. Okay, we got another vine. Double jump! How's this all look with my outfit? Okay, it's not bad. I think we could do better, though. Alright, now we rest. Let's see what awaits us. Getting comfortable here. Okay. Nope, I didn't rest. I didn't rest. That's very, very foolish. I will need all the XP. Or the healings. I need all the healings. Oh, because I have the double jump. This is a thing I can do. Oh, little sketchy, little sketchy. Yeah, okay. Try that again. I feel like... oh, there's the music. Yeah, Jedi. Like, really, the double jump... oh, the double jump doesn't really serve any purpose other than to just make it more traversal, to make it the world easier to traverse. It doesn't really have, like, any combat application. You know, but it still feeds into that sense of progression. Oh, you're a biggin.
I can help it, but we have to be careful. I don't want to spook it.
Hey, it's okay.
Very wise, very
I'm not here to
wise.
hurt you. We're friends, understand? Friends.
Hey, you're on my back, dude.
It's okay. It's a piece of the Night Sister's ship. We need to remove it.
You know, one thing I do wonder
It's gonna
about
hurt, okay?
Cal's outfit. He's got these little, like, cylindrical things here.
Thanks, BD.
Hey, cool. Like, what are those? Are those, like, energy packets? I'm sure...
There you go.
I'm sure, like, there's some Star Wars book that explains, like, what everything, what all the things on Cal's outfit does. Shio Bird. Your blood is luminescent, apparently. Yep.
Let's look.
That's kind of nice.
Never have I seen a view more exquisite than atop this tree.
Kind of nice that as you go for one item, you also are rewarded with another one.
Yes.
Kind
Let's
of.
take a look.
It's just kind of nice to like get. Ooh, yes, yes. It's just kind of nice because you go, oh, there's an item, great, I'm gonna get a thing, but then you can unlock a little bit of experience because that little point there unlocks another memory from BD. So it kind of like helps reinforce the whole exploration thing again, getting a double whammy like that. I guess I'll call it double whammy. I don't know if there's a specific game term for that, but it's just nice to... It just furthers reinforce everything that we've been talking about. So as you go looking for one thing, okay, great, and then you get surprised, like, oh, there's more. So I guess it's also... you can surprise the player as well, which is a welcome surprise. I'm sure this would look way more gorgeous if it was on a PS4 Pro. But I have a normal PlayStation, and I'm alright with that. Still looks great.
There's still so much the Empire hasn't touched.
That would have taken us so long to traverse, my goodness. Thanks, bird. Appreciate it. Am I supposed to do a thing? Oh no, I'm just getting off by myself. Okay, great. Whee! Thanks, bird. Bird?
Something interesting?
What? There is a workbench here. Well, I stand corrected. Lightsaber sleeve acquired. Cool. Oh, yeah, I haven't done this in a while. Let's see what goodies we got. Okay, so green. We're rocking the yellow poncho, so I'm feeling something in orange. What do we got? Ooh, we got some new stuff here. That's locked. Duty and Resolve, Eno Cordova. I don't like the Magus. It's very Sithy. Peace and Justice. Yeah, let's go with Peace and Justice. That looks cool. Duty and Resolve. Ooh. Ooh, that's pretty cool. Nah, I like this one. We're on Mages. Peace and Valor and Wisdom. Battle and Strength. Ooh, Elemental Nature. Ooh. I still don't know how I got the premium content. I kind of like that. And then let's change... Ooh, oh, what is that? Ooh. Oh, that's funky. Oh, we gotta do this. Oh yeah, there we go. Cool. It's a little bright and flashy for my taste normally, but why not? Cal, you deserve it. beep, beep.
Looking for something?
I don't know. Oh, hey, it's a Zepho thing.
At last, I found my quarry. The astrium, used by the Zepho sages millennia ago. I hold in my hand a piece of galactic history. Oh, I will never be able to thank Tarful enough. Do you know what this means, my friend? No need to return to Dathomir. Darkness clouded every attempt at finding the astrium inside Kujit's tomb, but the Force has provided a new...
No, we're going back to Dathomir. 100% we're going back to Dathomir. Multiple databanks. Yeah. I just gotta take a look at this one more time because it's just, oh, it's so flashy. That's okay. Alright, nothing else here, I think. Climb the origin tree. Maybe, Oh, no. I remember this. Hey, buddy.
Found you again.
I will say,
This world.
I don't know what's got second sister.
her character
You're
design
so
is
important.
awesome.
She likes her souvenirs, but I'm not in it for the memories, and honestly, you're not worth my time.
Oof.
So let's make this quick.
Bring it on, you hobgoblin.
Fighting or what?
Whoa. Okay, I tried to force her. Didn't go too well. Nope.
Gotcha.
Ooh, she's got a long reach. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I'm gonna try that again. Wish I had that lightsaber master wrote about. No. That's the problem with these bosses. You usually get your butt handed to you pretty quick. And then you start to get the patterns and all that. I mean, she did charge up. I just wasn't expecting the reach to be quite so long. Nope, I don't get an opportunity. Oh, I almost did. No! Alright, there we go. Haha. What? You blocked that?
Nice try.
Wahey! Haha!
Scared of getting burned?
Yes! Alright, we're doing better.
Not bad for trash.
What about for a Jedi?
Is there a difference?
Okay, Form 2, here we go. Whoa. Can I... Yep. All right. Nope. Oh, whoa, okay. All right, too late on that.
Stim BD.
Didn't even break skin.
All right, free hit on that. Oh. Nope. Whoa. Okay. Jeez. No.
Stim BD.
All right, here we go. Whoa.
BD, I need help.
I don't know why I did that. Oh, yeah, she's about... no, circle. Get her, Cal. Whoa, come on now.
Here, we're not done.
Okay.
Stim BD.
Didn't even break skin.
Whoa, hey now. Oh, that was mean and uncalled for. Nope. Yep. Well, you... Ah!
Gotcha.
I got cocky. It's that double-bladed lightsaber. It's not the best for single encounters. It also does a little less damage too, and it takes more time. So I don't know why I was using it in that fight. That probably would have gone a little bit different had I was using my brain. I was using force powers though to help disrupt her movement. That definitely helped a lot. I also should remember that I have the jump ability as well, because you saw at one point she tried doing like a force slam, but I broke up her attack. Now I don't know if I can get the opportunity attack on her, but we're gonna try. Nope. Oh, I almost got her on that one. Whoa. Well, hey. Okay, apparently you can't dodge that.
Barely noticed.
Nah. Well, hey. Well, hi. I do love the cinematic aspect, though. All right, Form 2. Here we go. That was...
That's one for me.
Oh, it took you that long, did it?
Frustrated.
Help, please.
Yeah, eat it. Eat it, you ninth sister. Whoa. I appreciated the behind the back block. Whoa, whoa. Ah, yeah, okay. Take a second to heal. Oh, maybe not.
Another step.
Any day now.
What you got? What you got? Bring it. Oh, yeah, I didn't make that in time. I did that from so far away. Whoa, okay, let's get out of there.
Now, BD.
Whoa, too early. That's what I was trying to avoid.
Just a scratch.
Whoa, nope. No,
You're last.
Help, please.
Whoa. Yes. Cool cutscene.
It's over.
Being an Inquisitor taught me no setback is too great.
I love the character
You've
though.
already lost yourself. A limb's easy. You know, I was a Jedi. It'd be fun to bring you in. Watch you crash like the rest of us! Oh, angers you. Just wait till the isolation! Torture!
I love how she keeps fighting.
And your breath! I won't let you touch them! You can't stop the Empire!
I can stop you.
We just took down an Inquisitor.
All right, it took me 3 tries, I think, maybe 4.
You were dead.
I'm okay with that. Took me like 10 the first time. My goodness.
Glad you're okay. We should get back. See her in Greaser.
Part of the reason that strategy works so well is that I was not letting her execute her combos. There were times when I was trying to match her parry, but when I started to get out of the rhythm, it's best to get out, reset, going again. And there were times that I managed to guard her all the way through, because that just helps to bring down the guard more. But by mixing it up with force techniques and disrupting her combos, not only does it lower her guard, it actually leaves her open to attack, and it breaks up her combo. So that's kind of the way you got to play it a little bit. She had to catch me off guard with that area slam, though. I was hoping to double jump over it, but I just did not get the timing right. But she could have tried using it a lot more often. Again, and that's kind of what makes... Oh, yeah, we're back here. Ninth Sister defeated. So this is another thing that like makes the combat so interesting, is because it's just presenting you with options and you can use them however you want. Right, we're saving up for the lightsaber damage. I'm just gonna take a quick dip, and because now I can go underwater and see if there's anything of interest down here. Because I did not have the rebreather at this point. And then after that, we'll probably just call it there. I just want to do this before I forget. We also... Oh, I have to go back. I have to get the stim canister. Oh. Maybe I'll do that on screen. I don't know. Come on, get the thing, Cal. Get the thing. All right, well, let me get this.
Oh, you found something.
New lightsaber switch. We'll stick with our extremely ostentatious. Is that the word for it? Ooh, I got a scan here, though. We'll stick with our extremely corporate alliance tank droid. Right. We will stick with the crazy plated saber for right now. I am sort of digging the new, well, digs. Oh, right, I can swim faster. I forgot. I do have to be pointing in the right direction. Secrets. Show me the secrets. All right, I think we're good here. All right, so I think what I'm going to do real quick is we're going to take a breather here. And we're gonna take a wee rest. Actually, I'm gonna stop the video. So not as much game analysis, but maybe I'll take a little bit break. We've got some things to do. We've got a stim canister back in Kashyyyk, or the forest in the other way that I gotta go get. But I've got the double jump now, so I probably can access it. We've also got a stim canister back on Bogano, if you remember right, that I didn't get either. And there's a bunch of secrets and stuff we can get. We can finally go further on Dathomir. So we got a whole bunch of stuff we can do now. So we're going to be doing a lot more exploring and whatnot. And it might be worth it to talk about the bosses as well. I'm going to kind of sit on it a little bit because a lot of the boss fights we've had so far, we saw Trilla, a lot were animals, but this is the second human that we kind of saw. So I'd be curious to let my brain sit on it, and then maybe we can analyze that a little bit more. So I'm going to call it here. You guys have a good night, and